The secret to finding God is to create time to search for Him consistently. If you wait for the time to come, it won't. Create the time out of your busy schedule, and you would find God. As you hide yourself in time and search God, the one you are searching for would appear and find you. What you don't know is that it was Him that initiated the search. He did. Create the time out of your busy schedule, and you would find God. God might desire you, but never reveal it. He would only drop silent whispers in your heart. This silent whispers are called green lights. So by dropping a desire in your heart to find Him, one thing you must have in mind is this: the Lord you are desiring desires you too. He desires you even more. It is His overflowing desire that triggers the longings in your heart. God invites men through the instruments of highlights. Abraham was sitting on that faithful day when he saw God pass. The angels left heaven just to meet Abraham, but when they saw Abraham, they didn't call him until he reached out. God would not force Himself on you. He comes with highlights, with gentle longings in your heart. At that point you had a desire to pray. It was the Lord trying to reveal Himself to you. But you didn't end up praying. Friends, God is in search of you. The desires in your heart is a sign. God left heaven to earth just to meet Moses. But He couldn't call out to Moses until Moses turned aside to look at the highlight God created. If Moses didn't turn aside, God would have still not forced Himself on Moses. Can you create time for Him and watch how the one who knew you while you were yet formless in your mother's womb would appear? A generation of faceless men would rise, men whose only desire is Jesus, men who would reveal only one face, the face of Jesus. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. God bless you. This is Priestly Nation.